Hey piano players, Chris here. City Alight have just released a brand new song called Stand Firm, and it's a goodie. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play that song, how to do some creative embellishments, and basically walk you through how you can lead your congregation in worship using this song, maybe as soon as this Sunday. Let's get into the tutorial and I'll show you how. Okay, so I've put some links below where you can download the chords to the song, but you will see them on the screen. And just to show you what chords are included, we'll go through them. First there is D, it's in the key of D major. There is G. You've got B minor, A, D over F sharp, that's a slash chord, F sharp in the bass, A over C sharp, that's a slash chord as well, C sharp in the bass, D sus4, and then A over D, which again is a slash chord with the D in the bass. So make sure you understand those inversions, that you can play those different inversions, because it's going to give you a head start as we look at this song. Okay, let's start with the intro then. And basically what I'm doing in the left hand is an octave or even 1-5-8. I've got a rhythm that I'm doing like this. Not exactly the same, and I'm just basically using the octave or the 5 with this A and D up here. So just play that a few times. You could just do it straight. Simplified version. I'm just going to play a little melody. I'm not really a fan of doing the intros exactly as the recordings. You don't need to. Just a way to lead the song in. And often you can do the last line of the chorus or the last line of a verse. Makes a good intro. I'm playing from the A with this A and D here. So I'm just playing that melody down A, G, F sharp. So that suffices for the intro. Then we get into verse 1. And because it's a new song, you're probably going to want to lead with a strong melody. So I will play this with the melody in the right hand. And in doing that, you just really supplementing the single note melody with a few other notes in the right hand. I'll show you what that looks like. The melody goes, be strong in the Lord, in his mighty power. Excuse the singing, but we're focusing on the piano. You see there I'm keeping the D in the bass, but as the chord suggests, you can move to the G. I'm forming the chord with the F sharp and the A in the right hand and the octaves in the left hand. I should have said, by the way, listen over to the song in the link below so you're very familiar with it. It's no good trying to learn a song you're not familiar with. Listen over 5, 6, 7 times and then come back to this tutorial. Be strong in his mighty B minor. And here what I'm doing is I'm adding a 7th. It's not in there, but I like the sound of it. That's the regular B minor. I'm adding a 7th, which means I don't need to play the root because I've got it in the bass. So it's stand firm when the enemy comes. And there I'm playing a G2. That's a G chord. I'm just using the 1, 2, 3 together. I'm just playing the 2 notes from the A chord with the 1 and the 5 in the left hand. And an A2 chord there. You notice I'm not going to play the chords exactly the same every time, and that's intentional because you don't want to try and copy exactly what I'm doing. You just want to get a feel for the chords as you play the melody. From the top again. Be strong in the Lord, in his mighty power. Stand firm when the enemy comes. Similar melody. Sure defense, our hope is in Christ. And here you've got the melody carries over the bar line, and you bring in that G before you finish the singing the note or playing the note. Our hope is in Christ alone. Into the A2. So that's the verse, and we play it again. I won't sing, I'll just play the notes. To the chorus. I hope you're enjoying the tutorial so far. I just want to quickly tell you about 2 courses I have available. They're online courses specifically designed for church piano players. The first one is called 20-Day Church Piano Player. It features over 165 video tutorials that cover every aspect of your role, not just the musical, but also the theological and the pastoral implications of being a church piano player. If you enroll in this course, you're going to be taken through a 20-day plan, which will allow you to see results within 20 days. You have lifetime access, so you can go at your own pace, but within 20 days you'll be inspired as you see the transformation take place, as you see yourself leading worship more effectively, more confidently, all for the glory of God. Check it out at the link below. The second course available is taken from the full course, but it is purely just the embellishment and the creative playing video tutorials. This is for those of you that don't want to focus on other aspects of the role, but right now you just want to improve the way you play with more expression, with embellishments, with smoother transitions and flow. This is what's going to help you with that. Step-by-step tutorial videos that will give you dozens and dozens of new embellishments and creative ways of playing that you can implement in the songs that you play each Sunday. You can check that out at the link below also. So in the chorus here, what you're going to do is 1, 5, 8 in the left hand, and a bit of a power chord in the right hand. That's an A, D, and an A without the F sharp, because the melody goes, we stand on the rock of ages. That's the A. Now you can simplify it by keeping just the A playing in the thumb here, and the melody in the top. And then play the top 2 notes of the A chord, or you can play a 6th, or a couple of 6 here. Resolve into the A. It's up to you. Here it goes. We stand on the rock of ages. Then you've got this nice slash chord where you can do a rundown. We trust. So we stand on the rock of ages. We trust. Fast before it works slower. We trust. So it's a run from the A down to the F sharp. From the beginning of the chorus, we stand on the rock of ages. We trust. See a power chord again. In His mighty hand, we hold to the one. Just playing an A with a C sharp in the bass. We hold. Again, the melody is really just supplemented by this A chord. A note, sorry. And you've got the keep D, D over F sharp. His word, be strong in the Lord, stand firm. And again, that melody line goes over the bar line. Stand deep firm. Let's do the chorus again. We stand on the rock of ages. We trust in His mighty hand. We hold to the one who will keep His word. Be strong in the Lord, stand firm. Okay, so that's verse 1 and the first chorus. When it goes into verse 2, you can vary this a little bit. We hold to His truth in His righteousness. Maybe some arpeggios. Playing the melody, of course, you do need to probably stick to the way you played it in the first verse to keep that strong melody. You can go up an octave if you want to variate it, if you want to give a variation. Another thing you can do is at the end of the third line there, you can put a sus4 in. Works really nice at the end of a phrase. Our shield is by faith in the one who saves. His word is our victory. Second chorus. I'd go down another octave in the left hand, make the dynamics a bit different, bring it up a bit. We stand on the rock of ages. You can add a bit more rhythmical playing if you're able to do that, a bit like this. So what I'm doing there is basically adding more rhythm in the right hand. Okay, so that's the second chorus, and then it goes to this bridge. And one way you can play this is to gradually build up playing on each beat. So the melody line is stand on his promise. Actually, before you get to that, in the second verse there's a D sus leading into the bridge. Be strong in the Lord, stand firm. You see that adds a bit of anticipation going into the bridge. Stand firm. And that's a sus4 there. I'm playing the G. In the right hand I've got the D, A, D, G. It's that chord spread across. Stand firm. Then you bring it down and play on each beat. Stand on his promise, stand by his grace, faithful in battle, and blessing our sin. So I'm just doing a constant on the beat and simple notes in the right hand. Builds up more. The second part of the bridge uses slightly different chords, and you can fill this out more by playing more notes in the chord, play the octave at each end of a chord and go down an octave like this. Stand by his promise, stand by his promise, he's faithful in battle, and blessing our sin. King of all kingdoms. You can do some runs in the left hand, I'll show you. Stand on his promise. So I went up to the G. King of all kingdoms, his throne on the shore, ever he reigns. His throne on the shaken, forever we stand. You can go up an octave in the right hand if you want to. So to add some dynamics here, you can just keep that constant in the left hand for the last chorus. Of course, this can be played a lot more simply if that's not the style you want to play in. That's in the left hand. So it comes to the end of the chorus. Hold to the one who'll keep his word. Be strong in the Lord, stand firm. Then it goes to a tag, a repeated part of the chorus at the end, and I'd go up an octave and sort of soften it here. We hold to the one who will keep his word. Be strong, slightly slow. sus4 maybe. Stand. Go down low to the D2, D, E, A. I'll show you that last tag again. There you have it. I hope that's helpful. Watch this video again. You can slow down and it will stay in pitch. Go over the parts that you need to and add your own style to it. And hopefully this will help to get you up to speed to be able to play this Sunday or on a Sunday soon, if that's a song that's going to work for you and your congregation. So enjoy, happy playing, and I'll see you in another video. Take care.